Welcome back students. This is Professor Kulkarni from CNC Engineering College. Today we are going to start chapter number 7 from the syllabus. Title of the chapter is Tooling for CNC Machines. Syllabus: tool holders, tool magazines, automatic tool changers, pallets, tool setting and modular tooling. These are some questions which are asked in previous university examinations. Maximum weightage of the chapter is 8 marks. First of all, let us understand what is tool presetting and why it is necessary. It is used to reduce the tool change time and tool setting time. Obviously, tool is fitted in a tool holder. Cutting tool is fitted in the tool holder, and they can be fitted straight away on the machine. And these are fitted with the help of different gauging devices. Why these gauging devices are used? To adjust an angle of a tool holder, also to adjust an angle of a tool during manufacturing process, because angle of a cutting tool is very important for getting accuracy in manufacturing. You can see this a schematic which consists of a digital equipment which is used to adjust the height of workpiece, tool holder, also to cutting tool. And these are the digital devices. These digital devices may be a vernier caliper or a micrometer. You can see the actual picture here. Here digital devices are used to adjust the height, horizontal distance and the vertical distance of the workpiece or the tool holder during the manufacturing operation. So tool presetting is very important for increasing the accuracy in manufacturing, because we need to change the tool during the manufacturing operation. We need to vary the speed of cutting tool, vary the speed of workpiece many times. So we need to set the tool very precisely so that there will not be an error, repeated error during manufacturing operation. So this particular picture shows that digital vernier calipers are used. Digital vernier calipers are used for adjusting the horizontal and vertical height. Also, it is used for adjusting the machine center as well as the workpiece center. It is also called as a taking offset during writing a part program on a CNC machine. These devices are helpful for adjusting the offset also. Now let us see the modular tooling is one concept in manufacturing process and why it is used. These pictures are shown for modular tooling for drilling tool as well as the single point cutting tool. Here you can see the advantage of modular tooling. First of all, let us see why modular tooling is required. What is its advantages? These systems are used for changing the tool in few seconds. Very less time is used for changing the tool. Thus we can increase the productivity of the machine, productivity of the production. Productive time we can reduce the productive time, and we can avail the machine tool for a long time. Stability is very high. High tool change accuracy and repeatability is there. They have very high repeatability dimensions which reduce the setting up times and ensure long productive time in machine tool. So these are the advantages of modular tooling. So in the modular tooling, different components are used to fit a tool in a tool holder, and these are helpful for adjusting the tool angle in a short period of time. These particular diagrams are shown, photos are shown for turning tools as well as for drilling tools.